Hey Charmers, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a super quick and easy look using April's box. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right in. So I already applied my base and concealer, so now I'm going to move on to bronzer. And to apply my bronzer, I'm going to be using the Luxie 512 brush. I'm going to lightly tap it into my bronzer and just tap off the excess. Okay, so now I'm going to take the brush and contour right below my cheekbone. Is it showing up? Not a bad job. Not bad. Okay. I'm just gonna take the excess product and just, I'm gonna take the, this is a disaster. I'm gonna figure this out. By the end of this video, I'm gonna be a freaking pro. And I'm just gonna brush it along the sides of my nose because I don't really like to contour my nose all that much. Looks good. So taking the same brush, I've wiped off some of the bronzer and I'm gonna go in with some blush. Going to lightly apply at the cheeks and then brush upward. I guess I have to move on to eyes now. So now that I've applied my blush, I'm gonna move on to my eyes. I don't even know how to do this. Okay, so now taking the Pure Festival palette, I'm going to take the shade Epic with a fluffy brush and try and blend it out on my crease. Oh my God. Wow. Actually, I'm doing a fantastic job. I got this. It isn't as hard as it looks, I promise. You just gotta get the right grip. Wow. I'm surprised. Okay, so now I'm gonna deepen my crease using the shade Hidden Desert. Oh. It keeps slipping. Anything is possible if you just believe in your tiny hands. Oh yeah. Get in there. I went a little too hard, not gonna lie. Like there's no space between my right eyebrow. Okay, so now taking the Luxie 245 brush, I'm going to dip into the shade Sunset, or attempt to dip into the shade Sunset, and apply it on my lid. Oh, okay. Not gonna lie, my real hands are really starting to cramp. But I'm gonna see this through. Now I'm going to take the Luxie 209 and dip into the shade All Night. Oh, I don't know how to go at this. I gotta do both sides. Here we go. This is a really dark shade and I really don't want to mess it up. Firm grip. Damn it. And it's hot in here and I'm struggling. I literally can't do this. Yeah, you know. I'm trying. Okay. I'm gonna go back in with the fluffy brush and really blend this out properly.
Your finger, I see your finger.
But I can't help it! I need help!
Stuff just saying.
Oh
my gosh.
I don't want to move a lot, but I also can't really see that well. And I don't really know what I'm doing.
Do you need me to adjust it?
In life, in this makeup look. All right, okay. That's okay. I'm gonna go back in with my fluffy brush and try and blend out the mess I made. I'm just gonna lightly dip it into the shade Epic and just not bad. Not bad for tiny hands. All right, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. Okay, so I finished this eye already, and so now I'm gonna move on to the bottom of my eyes. I'm gonna go back into the shade Epic to line the bottom of my eyes. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna go in with the shade Hidden Desert and just darken it up a little bit. Just a little. This is a much darker shade. All right, it's a much darker shade. It's just to intensify the look. It's really not that bad. I think I'm actually doing a really great job. And it's not as hard as I thought it was gonna be. So now I'm gonna take the shade Free Spirit and just dip my finger into it to apply to the inner corners of my eyes. Wow. Look at that highlight. Amazing. I made a mistake. This is fine, we're fine. I like a lot of inner corner highlight. Okay, now under my brow bone. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the Butter London Power Up Mascara and hope that I can put it on. Start at the root, wiggle, and roll. Wiggle, and roll. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. So now using a highlighter brush, I'm going to take the Artist Couture Diamond Powder in the shade Purple Dream and apply it above my contour. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ooh, it's so pretty. Wow. It's literally purple. Wow, look at all that highlight. Move my hair out of the way so that you could see it. Oh, it matches my nail polish. Woo! All right, you can never have too much highlight, so I'm just gonna go in for round 2. Okay, so now to finish off the look, I'm gonna take some lip balm and apply it like so. I'm not even gonna move the product, I'm just gonna move my mouth. Okay, Charmers, so that concludes today's look/challenge. This is a lot harder than I was expecting, but I'm actually really pleased with the turnout. And if you'd like to see more fun videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, charmers.